From Tac-Force and Master Cutlery, this folding knife is the TF-702GYB. It also comes in the BKR model and the PK model. As you can see, aluminum handle scales, open construction, pocket clip there. See the nice pattern right there? That's basically a partial sunrise pattern. Now this comes equipped with a seat belt cutter and the glass breaker. The opening is via thumb studs or an index finger flipper. Comes out fast, liner lock locking mechanism, and it locks very securely, and you see it has blue liners and gray scales. As you can see, that blade comes razor sharp. Nice drop point, stainless steel, combination edge. Excellent and affordable value from Master Cutlery, their Tac-Force brand.